Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on sound effects on your Duolingo app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go down here, you click here on this sign down here, then it's going to take you here in this window. And all you have to do now, so you just go up, you click here on this sign up here, then it's going to take you here in this window, and you just go down here and you come here to sound effects. You will click here on this sign, and like you see this color show for us here, that means sound effects is on now on your so your lingo app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.